Top 10 best badass and brilliant new e-commerce platforms and e-commerce website builders. That's exactly what I'm going to reveal to you in this powerful countdown now. If you have ever wanted to create a stunning e-commerce website which is user-friendly and has an impeccable user interface, also known as UI, and leaves a mind-blowing user experience, also known as UX, or if you have faced any challenges like lack of design, concerns like difficulty in coding, problems pertaining to high costs of developers, then you are at the right video, my dear friend. I have meticulously handpicked these 10 platforms, and it genuinely took me a lot of time, money, energy, research, and overall effort to build this ultimate countdown just for you. And all these are listed on my website bestsoftwares.com, which is the most saved, bookmarked, and shared website for software tools, apps, and platforms on the internet. Do check it out after this video. Stay tuned because I have some free platforms throughout this countdown as well as a surprise for you, and you can't afford to miss the last platform. It's a total game changer. So let's dive in. In this channel, Best Softwares, I cover the best secret AI software, business tools, digital website, platforms, and apps. Stick around because you wouldn't want to miss platform number 2 specifically. It's a total game changer. So let's dive in. Platform number 10 is Shopify. Best for all-in-one e-commerce solutions. Shopify is the ultimate platform for beginners looking for a powerful yet easy-to-use solution. Its drag-and-drop editor, customizable themes, and integrated payment options makes launching your store seamless. Plus, its app store has everything you need to grow, from SEO tools to email marketing. Whether you are selling products or services, Shopify has you covered. Platform number 9 is WooCommerce, best for WordPress users. WooCommerce is the perfect choice if you already have a WordPress site. This free plugin transforms your website into an online store with endless customization options, from product pages to payment gateways. It's all customizable to suit your needs. Platform number 8 is BigCommerce, best for scaling businesses. BigCommerce makes it easy for beginners to build a professional online store while offering advanced tools for growth. It includes unlimited product listings, robust SEO features, and no transaction fees. Its multi-channel integration allows you to sell on Amazon, eBay, and social media platforms, all from one dashboard. A perfect fit for scaling entrepreneurs. Platform number 7 is Wix, best for simple website and store combos. Wix is known for its beginner-friendly website builder, but its e-commerce capabilities are equally impressive. Its intuitive drag-and-drop editor lets you create a stunning store in minutes. With features like inventory management, secure checkout, and integrated marketing tools, Wix is ideal for small businesses wanting to showcase their products with flair. Platform number 6 is Square Online, best for selling in-store and online. Square Online is perfect for beginners transitioning from a physical store to an online presence. It integrates seamlessly with Square's point-of-sale system, making inventory and sales management a breeze. Its free plan lets you launch quickly, while paid plans offer additional features like custom domains and marketing tool. A great choice for local businesses. Now, before I move on to the next platform tool, there are a few things which I want to address to you specifically. Firstly, an economist has said that AI won't take your job, but people who know how to use and leverage AI will take your job sooner or later. So if you are an employee, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a freelancer, a content creator, a marketer, or just a hustler or a dreamer looking to be more efficient, productive, and scalable, then this channel Best Softwares is just for you. Secondly, remember, in this digital age and with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, and technology. And software tools and AI enables as well as empowers you and your business, and that's what exactly I'm going to cover on this channel, Best Softwares. Thirdly, I highly recommend you to check out the website bestsoftwares.com. Link is in the description and comment to take yourself or your business's productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around AI software tools and platforms. Bestsoftwares.com in itself is one of the biggest directory of AI tools, apps, and business softwares on the internet. So bookmark it for the rainy day because you are going to need it, if not now, then eventually. Also, don't forget to put in your email ID for a chance to win a surprise gift hamper and one newsletter a week, because you need to be constantly updated with the latest tech out there in your specific domain. And lastly, all the resources, tools, and platforms which are mentioned in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Okay, now all that kept aside, let's get back to the best e-commerce software and platforms for beginners. Platform number 5 is Volusion, best for data-driven entrepreneurs. Volusion is a user-friendly platform platform offering built-in analytics and inventory management tools to help beginners make data-driven decisions. Its customizable themes and easy product uploads make store creation effortless, while the built-in SEO tools ensure you are seen by the right audience. A fantastic option for analytical beginners aiming to optimize sales. Platform number 4 is Squarespace, best for design-focused sellers. Squarespace combines stunning templates with powerful e-commerce functionality, making it perfect for beginners who value aesthetics. Its integrated tools for marketing, shipping, and analytics simplify managing your business. Whether you are selling art, fashion, or digital products, Squarespace ensures your store looks as good as your products. Platform number 3 is Big Cartel, best for small product catalogs. Big Cartel is designed for creators and small businesses with fewer products. It's simple, affordable, and great for those starting out. You can customize your store, manage orders, and market your brand with ease. If you're selling handmade crafts, art, or niche items, Big Cartel is a beginner-friendly choice. Platform number 2 is Adobe Commerce, best for advanced beginners ready to scale. Adobe Commerce, powered by Magento, offers unparalleled flexibility and scalability for beginners ready to take on a challenge. Its features include multi-channel selling, advanced analytics, and extensive customization. While it has a steeper learning curve, the platform is ideal for ambitious entrepreneurs looking to grow a robust e-commerce business.
This video is sponsored by DCM, an acronym for digitalchannelmarketing.com, one of the best and economical digital marketing agency you will find for your business. Digitalchannelmarketing.com helps you to get publish your personal or professional brand on 400 plus news sites including Forbes, Yahoo, Business Insider, and much more at the best prices possible. You can also buy relevant followers, subscribers, likes, shares for your social media platforms like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, Facebook, X, LinkedIn, etc. From 10,000 followers to 100,000 followers for your Instagram. Also, from getting your YouTube monetized with 4,000 watch hours to 1,000 subscribers, you can actually purchase more than 100,000 subscribers for your YouTube channel, to 100,000 followers for your TikTok or for your Facebook page likes, and much more. DCM is very reliable. Another flagship service is gifting a website to your loved ones on special occasions, or other website services like resume websites, portfolio websites, business websites, and more. They also have marketing services like search engine optimization, pay-per-click, social media, graphic design, content and copywriting, and more. They also have a unique service called website traffic services, which will help you to get more traffic on your website, and these are relevant traffic. Or you can also get their service which is video as a service, like you can get your monthly video editing for your YouTube, for your TikTok, Instagram, and more. Check out their website to start, build, and grow your influence and business with digitalchannelmarketing.com. Go ahead and channelize your digital marketing with Digital Channel Marketing or DCM. In fact, if you want to start your own business, then highly recommend to check out their partners page, which will give you all the information to start your own business today.
And at last, platform number 1 is Ecommerce by Lightspeed, the gold standard for e-commerce. Best for small businesses owners wanting easy online integration. Ecommerce by Lightspeed tops the chart and is a powerful yet beginner-friendly tool that lets you quickly add a storefront to an existing website or social media page. With flexible features, it's ideal for those looking to sell without creating a separate site from scratch. Ecommerce enables smooth integration with popular platforms and comes with helpful support to guide you every step of the way. In this video, I'm not only going to reveal you the top 10 best e-commerce platforms, but an additional list of 17 extra platforms which you should definitely consider, as this can be really good for your specific use case. Platform number 11 is Weebly, best for budget-friendly store setup. Weebly offers an easy and affordable way to create an online store for beginners. Its drag-and-drop editor, mobile responsive designs, and built-in marketing tools make it ideal for small business. Weebly is perfect if you are on a budget yet want professional results. Platform number 12 is Shift4Shop, best for US-based sellers. Shift4Shop is a powerful platform with zero monthly fees if you use Shift4 payment. It includes customizable templates, robust SEO tools, and unlimited product listings. Platform number 13 is Sellfy, best for digital product sellers. Sellfy is tailored for creators selling digital goods like ebooks, videos, and art. Its simple store setup, integrated payment options, and marketing tools make it a top pick for beginners focused on digital products, a hassle-free way to monetize your creativity. Platform number 14 is Joomla, best for tech-savvy beginners. Joomla offers extensive flexibility for creating unique e-commerce sites. With extensions like Virtue Mart, it transforms into a full-fledged store. Best for beginners with some technical knowledge who crave customization and control over their store's functionality. Platform number 15 is Sales, best for seamless online selling. Sales simplifies online selling with customizable customizable storefronts, and easy integrations for websites and social media. Its secure payment processing and inventory management tools make it beginner-friendly, especially for entrepreneurs who want an all-in-one platform for effortless e-commerce. Platform number 16 is Father Shops. Best for niche marketplaces. Father Shops is great for building unique stores tailored to niche markets. Its intuitive design tools, mobile optimization, and marketing features make it a standout choice for beginners aiming to target specific audiences with their online store. Platform number 17 is OpenCart. Best for free open source solutions. OpenCart is a free open source platform ideal for beginners who love customization. With a variety of extensions, themes, and no subscription fees, it's perfect for those who want full control over their store's design and features. Platform number 18 is Subly. Best for subscription-based businesses. Subly is a beginner-friendly platform designed for subscription-based businesses. It offers simple tools to create subscription models, manage recurring billing, and retain customers. If you are starting a subscription box service, Subly is your go-to solution. Platform number 19 is Adobe Commerce Cloud. Best for large-scale operations. Adobe Commerce Cloud, powered by Magento, is for beginners ready to handle enterprise-level tools. With advanced features like AI-driven personalization and multi-channel support, it's perfect for ambitious entrepreneurs aiming to scale big from the very start. Platform number 20 is Commerce Tools. Best for headless commerce beginners. Commerce Tools is a headless e-commerce solution offering unmatched flexibility for tech-savvy beginners. It's perfect for creating customized, seamless shopping experience across multiple channels, giving you full control of your e-commerce strategy. Platform number 21 is Salesforce Commerce Cloud. Best for enterprise-level beginners. Salesforce Commerce Cloud combines powerful e-commerce tools with its legendary CRM system. Ideal for beginners managing large product catalogs, it provides AI-driven recommendations, seamless integrations, and scalability for those aiming to build a robust business. Platform number 22 is Wix e-commerce. Best for visual storefronts. Wix e-commerce makes it easy for beginners to create stunning online stores with features like product galleries, payment gateways, and marketing tools. It's perfect for visual-driven entrepreneurs who want to leave a lasting impression. Platform number 23 is Square. Best for physical and online stores. Square bridges the gap between in-person and online selling. Its free online store builder combined with Square's POS system makes inventory syncing and sales management effortless. Great for beginners transitioning from physical retail to e-commerce. Platform number 24 is Shopwired. Best for UK-based sellers. Shopwired is a UK-based e-commerce platform offering easy store setups with SEO-optimized templates, payment integrations, and marketing tools. It's ideal for beginners who want a localized platform with excellent customer support. Platform number 25 is Elastic Path Commerce Cloud. Best for API-driven customization. Elastic Path Commerce Cloud is a headless solution offering limitless customization through API. Best suited for tech-savvy beginners with unique business ideas, it provides the tools to design bespoke e-commerce experiences across platforms. Platform number 26 is Sana Commerce Cloud. Best for B2B beginners. Sana Commerce Cloud is designed for B2B businesses integrating with ERP systems. It simplifies managing large catalogs and complex pricing structures, making it ideal for beginners entering the world of B2B e-commerce. Platform number 27 is Abante Cart. Best for free and simple setup. Abante Cart is a free beginner-friendly platform with a straightforward setup process. It offers essential e-commerce tools like product management, mobile optimization, and secure payment options. Perfect for budget-conscious entrepreneurs starting small. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, Best Softwares, and I can't reiterate more, yet definitely and highly recommended to go and visit the website bestsoftwares.com now. Link is in the description and comment. This will sound redundant, but this one website will take you and your business productivity, efficiency, and scalability to the next level with the latest and greatest around secret AI software, business tools, and digital websites, platforms, and apps. If you put in your email ID, I will also send you the list of the top 100 secret AI tools in a PDF to your inbox right now. Also, as mentioned earlier, AI won't take your job, but someone who uses and leverages AI in their day-to-day personal as well as professional life for more productivity might. So rather than being anyone, be that someone, and this is applicable if you are an employee, a student, a content creator, a marketer, a freelancer, an entrepreneur, a small business, a startup, a hustler, or just someone looking to be more productive, looking to be more efficient, and looking to be more empowered. This channel, Best Softwares, is meant just for you. In this digital age and with with the dawn of AI, your business and your productivity would be built by systems, processes, as well as technology. And software tools and AI are the major chunk of it. And that's what exactly I cover on this channel, Best Softwares. So don't let somebody, in fact, anybody out there to replace you. Be relentless and start using technology and AI today. If you want to know the latest secret AI software, business tools, and digital website platforms and apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let's try to break the algorithm. Also, click the bell icon below on this video to get notified whenever I drop a new technology video just for you, because you need to be updated in this ever-changing dynamics and realm of AI and technology. Here are a few more videos just for you. All the resources and links mentioned in this video would be in the description as well as in the comment section. Join our community of achievers and stay ahead of the curve by subscribing to bestsoftwares.com. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.